Work in Greece as a Dutch customer experience associate for BOL.com. Do you enjoy challenging situations? Do you strive to make everyone around you happy all the time? Then you are who we need in our Dutch customer experience team for BOL.com. At Patrique Mercier Recruitment, in collaboration with the Netherlands' largest online retailer BOL.com, are looking for highly motivated Dutch customer experience associates, dedicated to take ownership and turn each and every online purchase into a satisfying customer journey. We don't make excuses for why the customer's camera or balloons will not be delivered on time for his child's first birthday party. We provide solutions. If that solution doesn't exist, we simply create it and share our experiences with our colleagues so they can also put a smile on their customers' faces. If you'd love to work with BOL.com, a brand that places emphasis on the human factor in every aspect, come join our ever-growing, extra-talented team in Greece. Our BOL.com project is based in Thessaloniki, but you will be able to work remotely, from anywhere in Greece. What you will do: be the primary point of contact for customer requests, representing the Netherlands' leading online retailer. Actively listen to what moves our customers and provide solutions either by phone calls, emails, or chats. Handle inquiries about product orders, payments and deliveries, as well as customer complaints. Turning every customer into a happy customer. Exchanging ideas and solutions with your colleagues. Enjoy your time in Greece. What you will bring: strong written and verbal skills in both Dutch and English. Work experience in retail or familiarity with e-commerce will be considered an asset. Solution-driven out-of-the-box thinking. An empathetic soul with the communication skills that match. An entrepreneurial mindset to balance out the cons and benefits. A positive and adventurous attitude. A sponge that is willing to soak up all the knowledge and experience we offer. What we offer: complete relocation support. We will cover all the costs from the moment you leave your house until the moment you are ready to rent your first home here in Greece. Competitive monthly salary plus 2 extra salaries per year. Health benefits. Extra private healthcare benefits on top of standard public insurance. Numerous perks and discounts. Fully paid training. For more information or to apply, please check out our website.